Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com. Now in this video, we are going to customize our school. And how we are going to do that, I'll show you everything related to that in this particular video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and subscribe now so that you do not miss any video related to this playlist. So the first thing is we are going over to the site, and this is how your current school looks like. So if you want to take a look at how the school looks, then you can actually go over to the preview button, and over here you are going to see this is how the school currently looks like. You don't have any products, nothing like that. Okay, now this is our home page. So now how am I going to customize all of this? Okay, so what will I do here is I am going to go over to this pages that you see on the left hand side, and I do see three pages here. One is the home page, privacy, and terms of use. And this is how your product page looks like. Currently, you do not have any products, so that's why there is nothing to show. Now let's go ahead and try to fix our home page. So I'm going to click on this edit here, and we are going to fix our homepage. So now this is a wealth and health mastery. So from the topic of the website itself, you can figure out that this is a website which is related to building your wealth as well as taking care of your health. Okay, so while we are putting together the homepage, we need to think in that direction. Okay, and similar way, your course or your courses can be related to photography, it can be related to programming. So you have to do the research and the content you have to use according to your own school. And in this particular one, I am using from the wealth and health perspective. Okay, the first thing is the editing of the banner. Now, if I do not like this image, then I can edit this banner also. And this is how you can replace the image. So if you don't like it, you can see this editing button. You can get the image from somewhere. One of the great website that I'll recommend you to download good images, high quality images, is pexels.com. And you can use any kind of images from here. You can also get some videos that you want for your promo videos. So I do definitely use this website. So I'll recommend you, if you are looking to download some good quality images, or you are looking to get some videos for your promo videos or anything like that, then Pexels is a great website to do that. Okay, now here, let's say your course is related to wealth. So let me go ahead and see if there is anything related to wealth and health. Let's first try to see that. So currently, let's try with this one. Okay, so let's see we like this image or not. Let's go ahead, and it clearly shows wealth, but it doesn't show anything with the health. Okay, so let's just see, do we have anything? See, this is a good thing, which actually tells you wealth and health, but this is a stock image. I don't want to buy anything at this point. Now let's go ahead and let's say we download this one. Okay, so now here you have three different versions of it. There is an original, this is pretty big, this is large size, then 3 size. So let's say we download this one and then download the selected size. Now wherever you want to save it, you can save it. So let's say I want to save it for here. I'm going to create a new called new school, and here I'm going to put the image here. Okay, and now this is the image I will be updating over here. I'm going to go ahead and replace. I'll click the select the files, and from this list I am going to go over to the website and I'll choose this image. Okay, and let's go ahead and hit the upload. Now you can see this is how the image looks like. Now if you like it, good. If you don't like it, you can change it, so it's up to you. Now here, if I want to go ahead and put the school name, I can do that. I'll say Wealth and Health Mastery. Okay, this is the name of my school, and here you can go ahead, and if you are happy with the work so far, you can keep saving your changes as well, and you can see automatically it's there. And then if you want to give any short description, you can do that. I actually didn't like the image, but that's okay. We are going to go ahead and remove it. If you want to remove it, you can do that also. But let's say you want to write a small line, you can say control your wealth and health. I'll say take control of your wealth and health. Okay, this is the one I'm putting it, and then automatically save. Now here, what you want or what your school is all about, you're going to write that content. Okay, and whenever you're writing, make sure you do some SEO research, you use the keywords people are looking for, and that way somebody who is searching for that will eventually land onto your page. So do your content research, do the keyword research before putting anything in your school. Okay, since this is only for demo purpose, I won't be going into details of SEO and anything related to that. I'm just showing you how you can customize this school for yourself. So you can see here, now here I can get some information related to wealth and health. So I already have a lot of content that I have published on my website. So let me just go ahead and copy few things from my own website here. And let's say I'm just going to put something just for just to have some coverage here. And here I'm going to say, if you're looking to increase your wealth and also looking to increase your wealth, then we have a lot of courses for you. And here I can say start with our free course related to making money online. Okay, so this is it. I'm just going to write a simple thing here, and then if you do not like this image, you can get rid of it. You can remove the section completely, or if you want to add another image, you can get it from that Pixel website that I told you. Similarly, you can replace that image. If you want to replace this image, you can do that as well by just going over to this image and doing a replace. And then here you can change the title. So if you see here the text with the image, if you come down, this is what the example title looks like. And then here is this main content. So if you want to get rid of this and replace it with something else, you have to go over to this, click on that, it'll open up the text with the image. You can change the image. If you come down on this, you can change the text as well as the bottom text. Similarly, when you click on this image, you can also change the image number 2, and then you can say something related to that. Okay, so here let's go ahead, and the first thing is I'm going to replace this one, and we are going to get a new image to put it on. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this image, and I'm going to get a small one here and download this, and this one. Similarly, I'll get another image and get a small one again, and these are free images, so you're free to use them. Okay, if you want to donate them, please go ahead and do that. And then something related to wealth, so that we have combination of 3 different images. So here if I come down, or let's do money. So for money, I'm going to use this image. Okay, so just something that I'm kind of relatable to health and wealth. So I'm going to go ahead and download this selected size, and it'll also be added over here. Now let's go ahead and update it on our theme page. Okay, so here you can see this is the image that I have. And now I'm going to replace this first image, and I'm going to choose the image that I got, which is this one, and I'll put this image in instead, and then hit the upload. So now you can see this image is going to get replaced. Similarly, I can go ahead and replace the second image as well. So I'll click on the replace button, and then over here I will choose this one image. I should have used a little bit of a higher size of the image, but that's fine. And then third one I'm going to change by clicking on that third image that I downloaded, which is this one. So now it looks more related to your website. Initially it was more of a photography website. So now I have changed those 3 videos, and you can see here this is how it looks like. Automatically it gets saves. Now here if I'm going to change the title, I'm going to say heading text, I'm going to say take control of your health. Okay, this is what it'll show up over here. Similarly, if you go over to the second image and you see this one, exercise, eating healthy and exercising is the key, are important for good health. Okay, so this is what I've put here. Now this is the heading that I have, and let's make it bold. And then the next one is become financially, or we can say here financial freedom. Okay, so this is going to be financial freedom. Now if you want to change, you want to make them italic, you can do that as well. So you can see here I changed it. If you want to do it, if you don't, you just do that. You don't want to do any italic or bold, and you can do that as well. So now what we have done is we have customized few things on our school. If you are not liking it, you can always switch to something else, or you can always go to your own images if you have anything. Let's say you are kind of created a course related to programming, then your images would be more related to like technology, computers, somebody working on computers, things of that sort. So you can actually get those kind of images. So this is just for my demo purposes that I'm using. Now I did not like this picture at all. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to replace this image as well. Let's go ahead and find some image from pexels.com, and let's try this one, like this one, self-care isn't selfish. Now let's go ahead and download this image. I'm going to download it, and then we will use it on our page here. So now I'm going to say replace, and I will be using the image that I added, and we are good. So now this is how the image looks like, and then that's it. Now if you are ready to launch this school, when you are ready with all your changes, then you can hit this publish button, and your school is going to be live. Now if you want to make additional changes, or you didn't like the theme, or if you want to change the color, then this is the background color that you can choose. Now if you want the text to be not in the center, but if you want it on the left or on the right side, you can actually choose that also from here. So right now if I choose the right, then what will happen is some of the content is going to move to the right side. Okay, so let's say if you want to preview it, you can see here the content has moved a little bit slightly on the right side. You can see this one, you can see what was initially on the left, this content, now it has moved to the right side. Now going back here, I will actually keep the text alignment to the center because that's how it came up with. So now if you are looking to publish, if you are good with how the school looks like, I'm not happy at this point, but that's fine. We'll keep working on our school. You can actually, when you are ready to publish, you can click the publish button, and the school is going to be live. Students will, if they land on your page, they'll be able to see it. And then if you scroll at the bottom, yeah, this is the second image that we have. Now if you want to get rid of it, you can also delete this entire section. So if you want to get rid of this entire block, you can actually delete this, and this whole block is going to get deleted. So from here you are going to see this page, and then you're going to see these three images, and then featured products. Now this particular section is coming from your courses. Okay, since you do not have any courses that you have published, that's why this is just an example course. But actually when I showed you my own school, when I went over here, this is that home page we are talking about, and this is how those courses are going to look like. So you are going to see the image of the course, a pricing of the course, and the same way the name for the course. So you are going to see all these three things. Okay, now going back to customize it, the same way you are going to see your courses. So if you have 3 courses, 4 courses, whatever, you are going to see the course image, and then the name of the course, and then the price for the course. Okay, now if you want student who has landed onto your school, you want to make sure you want to connect with them or make them your subscriber, then always recommend to add this lead form. In order to capture their email address, you can give them something for free, you can give them an ebook or like some tips or anything, or a free course. Then in return, they'll provide your email address, and email list is where the money is, because more emails list you have, more people are going to be seeing your course. And generally, you can imagine 10% of your list is always going to give you sales. Okay, so let's say you have a list of 4,000 subscribers. Now from 4,000, the 10% of that is about 400. Now 400 subscribers are somebody who is actually going to buy from you. So bigger the list, that 10% will keep increasing, right? So it's very, very important you have something where you are capturing your visitors' email addresses, and in return you can give them anything of value to them. So that way they'll connect with you, and through that email, once you have captured their email addresses, you can send them regular updates, regular emails to be in touch with them, or even whenever a new course that you are publishing, you can let them know about it, and if they like that particular content that you are trying to sell, they'll enroll in it if they like your teaching style, even just for helping them or even for a connection with them, so that in future if they need any help they can reach out to you. So that email touch is very, very important and very powerful. So definitely I will recommend you to have this lead magnet on your school as well, where student who is currently not interested to buy your paid course, but at least they want something in free and they'll get that, and then later on you can nurture your audience and then eventually they'll buy from you. So do remember to add this lead form. Okay, this is how your current school looks like. So in the next couple of videos we'll keep continuing editing our school, and we are going to change some of the designs and all of that. We are also going to add a brand new course to this school as well. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.